Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a company based logo design. So very simple and very common. So no more talk, just let's begin today. So first of all, what we need to do? First of all, I needed to select all the things a little bit smaller and keep the counter side. And what we're to do? We need just to go over here and just go to the ellipse tool summary over here, the tools. But I need just rectangle, not ellipse tool. Yes, I select this ellipse tool and I need it now to the center. Just by pressing Shift key and Alt key, just color. So I needed to change the color. No problem. This is okay. So I need to now just copy, go to the edit and copy. Again, go to the edit and paste in font. Already copy all the things. So I need to now just by pressing Shift and Alt key, a little bit smaller like that. I think this is better. Or a little bit, little bit. I think this is better. So okay, so what we need to do? We need to just select all the things and go to the shape builder tool. Okay, and just by pressing Alt key and click over here. You see? Done. Oh, this is magic. So change, you need to change the color. Any color. Just like this red color. And I change this thing. And what we need to do, we need just know this middle side. How we should do this one. Go over here again, put to the center. So I'm gonna just center over here and a little bit. I think this is better. So I need to go to the over here, but to change the color, go to the gradient and just put it over here. Let's see, this color comes. Okay, so right now I think I need to go, which when I need to go to the again, this the guys who know about this is very important this part because there's so many tools over here and very important tools, all tools over here. So I needed as a rectangle tool and I just put it like that over here. I think it's middle. Now I needed to select all the things and go to the setup to the middles and the center so that we don't have to confuse about all the things. And I need now select all the things and go to the shape builder tool and by pressing Alt key, cut all the things. Yes, it's done. Exactly, it is happening. But I need to change the color. See, I need what color. It's done. I think fantastic. So right now I may just go over here to the typing tool. We'll type over here. Just do bigger, little bit. I needed to type all the things. This Ian company. Okay, that's fine. I now just put over here. You see how is setting fantastic. So I think this little bit smaller. It will be more better. I think. Done. Now it will be looks this. I need to bigger this one, I think, like that. It will be more better, clear, and I think set up like that. Middle, yeah, it's fine. It's fantastic. Design it, change this color. It will be more better, I think. It's good. It's color good. It's color good. I think this fine and fantastic. And this font color thing here like this. Oh, this one. Yes, I think this is super nice and super easiest logo design. So it's just I change this color. You see the difference between this one. It's looking a little bit odd, but it's nice and beautiful design. So this I need a little bit bigger to clear this object. You see, this is fantastic and popular design. Thanks for watching.